Right guys, it's been a while since I did a bike ride, but today I'm going to take you somewhere different. Now this way I'm pointing is the main road that I always go along. It's always along the main road, and I thought it'd be interesting for you and me if I go off the beaten track. So this is what I'm doing, and it'll be interesting to see what the houses are like when you go off the beaten track. And to my amazement, there's some pretty big houses down here. Now it's Saturday afternoon around 5 o'clock. I wanted to come out a little bit later, but I've got to do something, so I've come out earlier. The reason is the sun's quite bright at this time, whereas when you get to about 5:30, 5:45, it obviously goes into sunset and the light's beautiful. So let's see where this takes us. For sale, some property for sale here, look. Doesn't look anything down there, so we'll go down here. Wow, some big houses, but what you'll find when you come to the Philippines is you'll see plenty of big houses, but they don't maintain them. I'm not saying they all aren't maintained, of course they are, but some are, of course. But it seems a bit strange they invest all this money into these houses and just let them go to disrepair. Having said that, look at this one here coming up. Very nice. Now there's a smell of barbecue in the air. Oh, look at this. Yeah, it's really nice. Very nice. It's strange, you know, where the... Sorry, I mean, I know the sun's going to blind you. It'll be better when I've got the sun in me back. I'm going to turn around here because there doesn't look anything down there and the road's going all nasty. Let's get the sun to me back. Ah, that's better. Look at it. Nicely painted. There's some nice ones. Oh, this bungalow's nice, look. Oh, well, is it all one? No, it's a house and like a bungalow. Really nice. Now, I'm interested to see how this camera's gonna perform, because it's the new one. It's heavier than the other one that keeps moving on the bracket. So let's see if the stabilization works. I don't want to go. I wonder if I can turn right anywhere to get out of here, back to the main road. It's a right turn here up. See where that goes. Now these places here with the cars and what have you, it's very unlikely that if you are talking to a girlfriend in the Philippines that she'll live in one of these better houses. Just how it is. But if we go down a beaten track that they're not as good as these, this is probably where she's going to come from, because there's some decent houses down here. I'm quite amazed. Look at this place here. Very nice. Oh, the apartments, that's why. That's not though, that's a house. See, it never ceases to amaze me. I'm not going down there, we'll go back this way. That you'll go along a road and there'll be lots of rundown houses, and then in the middle there'll be a beautiful house, fantastic, well built by the looks of it. Well, you know what I mean, I can't get into it. Oh. Look at that. You can see it. I'll do the other side. Drainage system. What's so good about a drainage system? I don't know, I'm just showing you. Let's move along and see what it's like on the other side of the road. Now don't forget, when we get onto this main road, this is my this would be my normal bike ride, and this is where you'll find all the barbecue stands, etc. We'll try down here. You watch, it'll take me backwards. Yeah, let's go down here. This looks the kind of place your girlfriend's gonna live. You know, I just love it. I love the Philippines. Camera's going over, look. Sorry about that. I can't tighten it up. This camera's heavier than the GoPro 7. Not much heavier, but it's obviously heavy enough to move it on the bracket. I hope it's giving you a decent video. Oh, look at this, guys. Look at this. Let's just get the camera up. Look at that. Oh, I love this. Oh, do you know, when I first got in the Philippines, I was just everywhere like this, I'm just going round in awe. I just, wow. And that's what a lot of people will do, you know. A lot of guys will do. They'll get here. Not everybody, 'cause it's not everybody's cup of tea. But they'll get here and they'll be in awe. And they'll be with a girlfriend, and then when the novelty wears off, you're going to get bored. So you need something to do when you come here, guys. Have some kind of hobby. I'm going to go down here because I think this leads me back to the, it does, look. Oh, nice. Now this is when all the people start coming out. Like I was saying, there's barbecues and they're eating. You'll see some out with a table drinking with friends. Normally the older generation, of course. I was moaning to Mel of the day when I used to come down on my motorbike going back to the house, nobody'd move. Yet there's others, and especially this guy who's got a big trail bike, and he flies down. I mean, he goes far too fast, and everybody moves out of his way. I don't know if they move out of his way because they think he's going to hit us or what. But every time I did it, nobody moved. I had to stop the bike, put my foot down, you know, wait for them to move and then start again. It's so frustrating. But now I haven't got a motorbike. I miss my motorbike, I must admit. But it had to be sacrificed. When you owe money, you owe money. Now this is where your girlfriend's going to come from, places like this. They have nothing. You know, they'll sit in a sari-sari store 24/7 to make a few pesos a day. But it's only the food stalls, even the barbecue stall next to Mel's sister's shop. They're not there long before they've got nothing left. Just pack up and go. Mel's mum used to make, when she gave up the store to her sister, to her daughter, sorry, before she had a stroke, she was doing very well, a lot better than when she owned the shop. Mane does well because she keeps the store really fully stocked. It's always full. It's a one-stop shop. Oh, I love this, man. Can you imagine doing this where you're freezing your nuts off somewhere, going to work 6 days a week just to pay the bills, and not a lot left. That's awful. Oh, there's the school, look. Oh, that's interesting. I thought it was just the school down here. It's this. Well, slap my thigh. So that's it, guys. That's your video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I can do something else pretty soon for you. Mel's back home cleaning. It's amazing. I said, what would you like for Christmas? And she couldn't tell me. I said, well, I'd buy you a Hoover if I thought you'd use it. So until the next video, please hit the like button, please subscribe, please share our videos. It's important now because YouTube is not promoting our channel. They're taking subscribers away. They're putting a slash through the notification bell, and even if you have the notification bell with no slash through it, they're not notifying you of new videos. So until the next one, guys, bye.